back to the room they cleaned. To the left is your closet. There's a lot of room in here. See, I'll show the other side. You can see there's all their bags, but there's a lot of room to put stuff in the bathroom. It's nice because you have the double sink, which we love. We don't have one at home, so it's nice. Then here's the bathroom. Look at that beautiful shower curtain. The detail is just beautiful. Here's your shower. Oh, yeah. Look, the Mickey's in the shower curtain. How cool is that? And here's the shower. Really nice. There's your towels, of course. And here's the wallpaper. Look how pretty that is. Details are just amazing.
It's Kilimanjaro Safari.
Oh yeah, we just went on that. Look at that. Really nice. The lights are pretty too. Okay, and then over here is where you have your fridge. It's a nice size fridge. Oops, no freezer, just the fridge. So it's pretty good size. You get your coffee pot, your coffee and tea. I'm trying to think of what else. Nice little baskets on the wall. There's your TV. There's a lot of space up top, which we've been using, which is also nice.
2 drawers.
Nice 2 drawers, good size. You have a nice table. There's Davy hanging on the bed.
Monkeys.
Nice bed. Pictures. It's really pretty.
Mosquito netting on the back.
Yeah, there's mosquito netting, which is cute. And then there's the best part, I think. Let's see. Your patio. Here's your patio. And this would be standard room?
No,
View?
this is full.
Oh, Savannah View. This is the Savannah View.
4th floor.
And it's the 3rd floor. Same floor, the main floor with which the lobby's on. But look how beautiful this is. We've already seen giraffes, zebras, ostriches, what else? There were some other type of animals. I don't remember what they were, but see, it's really nice. It's beautiful here. And that's it. Great spot to have coffee in the morning. And oh, and there's also a lot of lookout spots, which we will check out before we leave. And that is our room tour. Come here, Kev. That is the room tour from the Hughes Family Vacation. Bye, guys, at Animal Kingdom Lodge.
Walking away, there goes. There's a zebra. Very pretty.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
What did we learn today? We learned that they're black with white stripes. Yes. They're black with white stripes. We learned that on the safari today. Zebras are black with white stripes.
There's another one over there.